Today is one of your last opportunities to get a little help for Christmas presents for your kids.
Greater Cincinnati Toys for Tots finalizing registration. They need it in this week so they can get enough toys prepared to go around. WCPO 9 News' Allie Kramer's live in Erlanger with some of the changes this year that hopefully, Allie, will streamline the process for everyone.
Yeah, good morning, guys. The biggest change this year is that Toys for Tots is going to host a distribution drive in northern Kentucky. That's a big deal. All you have to do is follow the signs over here to the Ignite Institute, where you can register your family, your children, just literally right inside these doors. Now, also inside these doors here in Erlanger, well, there are about 8,500 toys. They are already being organized and sorted by Ignite Institute students in the logistics program. This is a great hands-on experience managing a massive project like this. It's just the start of the toys too. They have collection boxes at about 100 local businesses, but what they really need now is for people to get registered. Toys for Tots organizer Sergeant Dylan Carrico says that they have about 2,400 kids in Hamilton County and almost 1,900 in northern Kentucky.
We expect way more. We usually assist about 10,000 children every year as far as numbers wise, and collect about 40,000 toys for the program. A lot of these families, they can't afford to put food on the table, so like having them be able to collect toys, that just relieves such a stress off of them.
Now, the Greater Cincinnati Toys for Tots registration is open for families who live in Hamilton, Boone, Kenton, Campbell, Grant, and Gallatin counties. The requirements are strict. You must bring proof of residency, birth certificates for all children, and a photo ID for the parent or guardian applying. And you have to register in person today at the Ignite Institute in Erlanger from 8:30 to 1:30. They're also open Thursday and Friday. And there's also one more chance over in Hamilton County. That's at Conquering Faith Tabernacle Church in Lockland. That is tomorrow, Thursday, from 12 to 5, or we're told that you can simply stop by any Salvation Army location because they should be able to help you there. Now, there's also another big change this year. Usually in some of that video you saw, those parents get to go inside the toy shop. They get to pick out gifts for their own children. That's not going to be the same this year because of the pandemic and really just trying to be as efficient as possible. So this year they'll be giving you a ticket when you register, and this has your selected day and time so that when you come back to the location for those toys, all you have to do is pull up. You're just going to simply pop the trunk, and then they're going to do a little drive-through service. All of those student volunteers, they're going to simply be able to put the toys right in the trunk. And again, that's all to kind of make this process a little safer, easier, and get as many people through as possible. For now, reporting live in Erlanger, Allie Kramer, WCPO 9 News.
They've got it figured out. Thank you, Allie. Of course, your donations will be crucial to making sure the kids have something under the tree on Christmas morning. Toy Team 9, once again, switching things up a bit, hosting a virtual toy drive to benefit 9 local charities. You can donate online right now at toyteam9.com.